Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Windows 11 and learning how to manually clear cache. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First things first, let's clear out those temporary files. Open the Run dialog by searching for it in the Start menu and type %temp%. This takes you to a folder filled with temporary files. Select All, Delete, and grant permissions when needed. It might take a while, but it's worth it. Some files might be in use or unavailable. Just skip them and choose Do This for all current items. Now, head over to File Explorer, click on this PC, go to the C drive, then navigate to the Windows folder. Look for the temp folder and repeat the process, select All and Delete. Again, it might take some time. If you encounter files in service, skip and choose Do This for all current items. Next up, back to the C drive, into the Windows folder, and find Software Distribution. Select all files and delete them. Done, open Run again and type /fetch, grant permissions and delete all files. Similar to before, some files might be in service, skip them and choose Do This for all current items. Now, let's use the built-in Windows Disk Cleanup tool. In Run, type Disk Cleanup. Select the items you want to clean up and click Clean Up System Files. Remove unnecessary files and click Delete Files. This might take some time, so be patient. Open File Explorer, click on the three dots, go to Options, uncheck Privacy checkboxes, click on Clear under Privacy, and select this PC from the drop-down. In the View section, choose Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Click Apply and then OK. Open Run again, type /reset and execute. This clears the cache for the Microsoft Store. If your cache isn't cleared, it might take a moment. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flushtons, and hit Enter. This flushes the DNS resolver cache. Now, open Settings, go to the Privacy and Security section, search for Location, and clear the location history. And there you have it, a manual cache cleanup for Windows 11. I hope this helps keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell.